if you look at this, our power steering pump that had no fluid in it has almost caught on fire. And whose fault is it?
Dave's.
It's Hunter's fault.
Damn it!
He was the one driving, so it's his fault.
It only makes sense.
What do you think, Dad?
What?
What do you think?
The pump failed at just the right time. It's daytime. We called it for the parts. Hopefully this little fix will get us to where we need to be.
We'll see. Tune in to find out.
Brand new development. We blew a tire. And we got off the road, changed the tire, and
We have a front slick in the back.
But some crazy chance, where we broke down, they're putting cones down for repairs to the road. This is not an escort that we called for. This is what we got by complete luck. So this guy's allowing us to be behind him until our next exit. There we go.
Random exit. We were trying to go to some diesel shop thing, and we came across a place right there that we saw lights on. They're technically closed, but for some reason right now there's still someone in there. So he thinks he can help us.
There we go.
We're the luckiest unlucky people.
We are the most unlucky lucky people doing hot rod drag week like you wouldn't believe. Crazy.
Lucky people.
Fucking nuts.
Oh. Right when we think that we're done, just keep having to suffer.
Appreciate it.
Right. All right, we're getting ready to head back on the road. What's that get us for?
If you're ever in Rolling Springs, South Carolina, visit Discount Tire. They do great work.
Shout out Discount Tire.
Shout out Discount Tire.
Life has come. Getting pulled by it.
Little bumps. Again. Hold on. Go. It's still spinning this way, right?
I'm gonna push this up. You don't want that getting tangled on something.
Get pulled all the way in.
Yeah.
Here, let's.
I saw someone get pulled into a machine once. It's not pretty.
You know what?
Helmet's in the car.
Brian and I were just bench racing. You heard me say how hot rodders had affected the OEs back in the day, and I had drawn a line from that to make it option, and it's 421 Super Duty Tempest. Now, Brian said, I think they had one of the first ones in the cars, not that they put it together. I was able to go to my motor trend plus in a matter of 1 minute. I was able to go from
You know where the nut is for this, in the pickup truck carrying that 1994 Mustang. Was scrapping yesterday to make runs. He was basically the last guy on the racetrack yesterday. He came in number 4 in Street Race Small Block Power Adder. He's going to move up to number 3 if Nike can't get a transmission back in the car and make a pass before the 2 o'clock cutoff.
I think it's main drag. Where does drag strip come from? I think it's an air strip. Now, unfortunately, an air strip, obviously a strip plant,
Comes the fantastic story of the Little Falcon. These guys threw this thing together out of the junkyard in, I can't remember, they told me 7 weeks or 7 months. Either way, it was with alacrity. And this, man, they've been struggling so hard. The guy's never been drag racing before. He left before activating the tree like 3 times in a row at Bristol. They've been suffering on the road hardcore, but they're still making it out here, and I think he's about to run not his best number. He went in the 13th yesterday. That's 14:31 at 96 miles an hour. George Hill on the left-hand side goes 13:40 at 106.
That's it, huh? That's it? Okay. My buddy there, he kept blowing up and got in there.
This is the checkpoint for Hot Rod Drag Week. So all these cars you see here are heading back to Darlington. And this is the last night before the finals.
All right there, I'm Josh Kublonski. I'm from Toledo, Ohio, and this is our gasser. It was built by myself, my good buddy Hunter, and my dad, Dave. So those guys over there?
Yeah.
That's
nice.
them.
All right.
Hunter and Dave. Then we blew a rear tire when everywhere was closed. And then we found one place that was randomly, they were still there 2 hours after. And we're like, we are the luckiest people on drag week, I'm pretty sure.